Oh, well, that's a cute little touch. Minus, plus. Not that that means anything with the canister, but Powerwell capacitors. Do you have a date stamp on you anywhere? No. Alright, yep. 35.5. Okie dokie. Flip it upside down. Okie dokie. Before I get too far ahead of myself, I'm going to witness mark this thing real quick. 420. Now I just need to remember which color wires go to what. Fortunately, as we mentioned last time, somebody had the foreskin to mark this the last time that we had to put a capacitor in here. Very precarious placement of a $4,000 camcorder. Wouldn't be the first time. Red is common, compressor is yellow, and fan is purple. Alright. That is successfully marked. I'm going to take this bolt out of here, that way I don't scratch the witness marks, because some future version of me years down the road is going to be entertained to see, wow, this thing lasted like all of 2 days. So we won't scratch it up. However, it is about time for us to swap key wires over. It would probably be smart of me to sanity check myself by bringing my meter out here, but you know what? I'm not looking for perfect, I'm looking for this thing to limp on through the season. Nice and easy. Back on. Yeah, come here. Take this. Zappy zappy. Ah, no zappy. Disappointment. I had to rerun my numbers on this old one. The fan side is actually even out of spec. And then again, this is kind of the same canister as the new one, just a little bit older and with a different badge on it. Doesn't fill me with confidence for that one, but again, we don't need 5 years, we need a season. Because at some point, we're going to install the reversing heat pump to heat and cool our house through the power of moving heat instead of generating it locally. That's not to say that this thing didn't do its job pretty damn well, it's just that it's getting old and it's probably time to give it a break. Then again, I'm getting old, and I still haven't taken a break. Because insulin's expensive here in the United States of America. I'm gonna be okay. Ooh. We might need to adjust the charge a little bit, but that does tell me that it's at least working now, or working better than it was. What do you mean flex? This is what the E96 would look like if you bought it on wish.com.
Yep, cold and hot are definitely showing up. Though I wouldn't use the FLIR to get good subcool superheat or anything like that. I would actually want to use like proper contact thermometers, but I think it's working. And to be fair, the frosting might just be related to the fact that it's really fucking humid out right now.